This 2022 Subaru Impreza is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Subaru is powered by Erie all-wheel drive manual transmission, regular unleaded H4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 87,236 miles. Drive home a reliable 2022 Subaru Impreza today. Adventure awaits. Yours begins here. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.